Don't really have much to do today. I'm waiting really on some tires to be put on. I'm sitting here at Walnut boat ramp. I was looking through the videos I just made, but I started thinking, no one ever videotapes boat ramps very much. I looked, there was nothing on this one. I thought, preserve history a bit. They may redo all this at some point. But here's Walnut Street boat ramp. You got Sunbury Road coming in. Off of here, you come in down there. There's the ramp. I thought, actually I was looking at not this light pole, but the next one. I was looking, sitting in my truck. Now that looks like an old light post. I don't know if that's the original one, but I thought I should get a picture of that before they end up replacing that. Now I started thinking, well, no one does boat ramps. So I can see there's two newer ones, fairly newer ones, these two. You got different type of lights up at the top there. But here's another one of the older looking ones. So before they would end up replacing them at some point, I thought I'd get some pictures of them. As you can see, the water's down. Looks like somebody built two rock piles there. A couple old stump. And they've only had one ramp working here lately. But I thought, what the heck, I'll videotape a ramp. If I don't fall here. Anyways, I'll walk down here to the end. This side they've had in. The other side they never put in because the connection's bad. But this looks pretty bad here. So yeah, it looks like maybe someday they may redo this one. But I thought I'd preserve what's been here for probably since I've been around. I don't know how old this one is, the actual ramp. Could use work there. This is the section here that they need to replace at some time because I guess all this cracking on it right here. And this thing here is pulled off in a way. And that's why they never put this dock in on this side this year. So they're going to have to replace that. So, I mean, are they going to replace this whole ramp? Not sure how they're going to fix that. But at one time, I'm sure that will be done. There's another look. And you come down through here. Like I said, there's newer looking lamp posts. Well, I'll walk this whole thing just to have it on file. Big hole there. He's replaced. Here's some of these older lights. I'd like to find out if them are original. Kind of look like they're would be. See the shape of them up there. All faded, brittle looking. Still cold. Yeah, I'm still cold. This will be a quick walk, but I don't think anyone's ever videotaped this ramp like this. And out there, it's what I called my mommy rock. There's a point that goes out there. A little cove here, bay, whatever. But here's another look at the older lamps. It's definitely an older style. My guess is maybe original lights. Maybe. Have to look into that. And then of course you got these old guardrail posts. I don't know if guardrails was ever on them, but them probably originals. They run, I think, yeah, pretty much the whole way down through this side. Trees or bushes are covering up the other ones. They ran over to here. And coming up here, you can see right down through here is Old Sunbury Road. Goes on down through there to a small bridge abutment down there. I videotaped that a couple times. And Old Sunbury Road, but that would have ran right down through here and right down through here. Anyways, here's the end of the guardrails. Now, I'm gonna say them are pretty much originals. And here's another one of them older light posts. I don't want to turn the camera. I'll take pictures of them though. Now, is the base original? I don't know. It's cracking them chips off of it. Lucky Explorer. My guess is gonna be that these are probably original light posts. There's the entrance. And the proper way to do this, if you're coming in with a boat, is I've seen people do it the wrong way. But you come in here and you go around that way. You pull over it on this to prep your boat, then you continue down to the ramp. But I've seen people pull into here and then try to do it. But here's another one of them light posts. Another one. Base, I don't know if would be original. This one here has got some fillings in there or something. I don't think that other one had that. Could use a paint job. But them look old style lights. Of course, you got a new walkway, bike path goes down through here. Got the docks being stored here again this year. Last year they had a whole bunch of them here. They had this whole ramp closed down because the ones down at the dam. Blacktop, I'm sure, has been replaced. Although it definitely needs replaced again. There's another, I mean, that's the same light I've looked at before, but from the other side of it. Big old anchor. But before they redo this at some point, this is the Walnut ramp. Right now it's December, I don't know, maybe 19th, 18th, 20th, I don't know, 2022. But I figured no one ever videotapes a ramp. So if anyone wants to see this in 30 years, what this looked like, well, there it is. Quite a bit of memories here for me. I'm sure there's a lot of memories here though, but I can still picture seeing my mom and dad here. At least for me. I don't know if them would be original post or not. Don't look like it. But here is a picture of information board. Don't really give you a whole lot of information. And I'm not sure how long this has really been here. I know these are new, fairly new, since they redone all this landscaping stuff. My shadow's in the way. But anyways, they got them placed several different places down along through here. Now these may be some of the original posts once again. You can tell these are fairly old. Them, not so much. But these, if not original, pretty close, I'm going to say. At least one or two missing here, and they go to there. And they do run all the way down to here on that side. So anyways, I thought this was a... maybe I'll do other ones before they change it, like Twin Bridges. I mean, there ain't no video of the old way it looked before they destroyed it. They did such a crappy job on that one. At least it's paved now. It was all gravel. Alright, that's Walnut Boat Ramp, Hoover Reservoir, December 2022.